Hello everyone, Michael Hoover, East Coast Regional Sales Manager for DRV Luxury Suites. I'm here at the factory in Howe, Indiana, and I'm standing inside of the 40K SSB floor plan. This is the #1 selling floor plan for DRV, and you may ask, why is that? There's a few different reasons. In most fifth wheel floor plans, the sink is in the center island. We decided to change that up. The sink is going to be over here off to the side, and the middle is nice and open, so you have plenty of space to prep and prepare your food while being able to talk to any of your guests that might be inside the unit. There's other great features about this is you have access to your refrigerator when traveling down the road, as well as your bathroom, and keeping the hallway on the off-door side to get up to the bedroom. That's a big thing that full-timers are always looking for, is when they're traveling down the road, do they have access to the refrigerator and do they have access to the bathroom without having to open up all the slides. In this 40K SSB floor plan from DRV Luxury Suites, you get both of those.